Matters, a channel about all and everything with me, Monica. All of us want to have healthy food, and healthy food comes from cooking it in a proper way without any kind of material of the utensils leaching onto the food. Stainless steel is supposed to be the best quality of material to use for cooking food since it doesn't leach into food we cook. In a view to change all my utensils to stainless steel mode, I have purchased one Kadai which is of stainless steel material. This is from a brand called Bergner and is of 22 centimeters, and I have purchased it from Flipkart for 2520 rupees. So let's now get started with the unboxing of this Kadai. First, let us see what is on the box. You can see what is on the box. This is Bergner. This is tri-ply Kadai, meaning it cooks 2 times faster. It heats 2 times faster for healthy cooking and healthy living. 18/10 stainless steel, food safe, durable, and in between layer is aluminium, for quick heating, and the last layer is stainless steel for induction ready. You can see the other benefits here, other features here. It's the induction bottom and can be compatible with gas, electric, and other things here with induction halogen. So this is how it is. You can see the layers here, A, B and C. A, the inner layer is made of stainless steel, food grade stainless steel. The in between layer is made of pure aluminium, which is B, and C is again stainless steel exterior. This is how the construction of this Kadai is. So this is 22 centimeter, 2 liter capacity, and Argent Kadai with lid is the name of this Kadai. And this is Michelin star chef Vikas Khanna recommended, and this comes with a 5-year warranty. Let's flip the box and see. This is the same thing here, and on the sides you can see it's just the name branding. Top, same thing here. So let's get started with opening this up. See, this is quite heavy. In spite of the small size, this is quite heavy. This is how it looks. 22 centimeters, but it looks a little small. You can see the nuts here. They are very sturdy. Doesn't look it is going to come out anytime sooner. And inside it is matte finish. Outside it is mirror finish. And the handles are also very sturdy. We can easily pick it up. Given the weight of the Kadai, even though it is small, this is very much required to hold it tightly and sturdily and lift it up from the stove. And here at the back it is written 18/10 aluminium stainless steel, Bergner, electric halogen, and induction compatible. This is tri-ply again. The handles are very sturdy. You can see how it looks. Now let's come to the lid. The holding of lid is also very sturdy. This is heavy for a lid, and again this side is matte finish, inside portion, outside it's mirror finish. Again here it's written Bergner, and this fits perfectly. This is not airtight, but it snugly fits into the kadai. So the chances of locking the steam is good, but steam can lift up the lid a little. I don't know, because it's heavy. I don't know how far the steam can, unless the steam is too much built. This is a very good purchase. So you can see the overall kadai is very sturdy and very heavy. Now let's come to the other thing which was in the box. This is the instruction manual. This is in many other languages, so let's just look at what is written in English. So you can see the cleaning method: first time cleaning, general cleaning, if there is a heat tempered glass lid, what to do. This doesn't have, and attention, warnings. This is in some other language. That's all. Let's see if something else is in the box. No, nothing. So overall, I feel this is a good purchase. I like it for its sturdiness. Because of this being very thick bottomed, I presume the food will not get burnt. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.